In the last 6 months, 5 AI tools have quietly eliminated entire categories of work: graphic design, video editing, research, customer support, content writing, all of it, automated, and most people have no idea these tools even exist. I tested all 5 personally. This is what I found. Welcome back. This channel covers the AI tools, trends, and strategies that are actually changing how people work. Not the hype, not the press releases, the real stuff. Let's go. Tool number 1, Perplexity Pro. If you still Google things, you're behind. Perplexity is an AI-powered search engine that doesn't just find links, it synthesizes answers from multiple sources in real time, with citations. It can now search the web, academic papers, YouTube transcripts, Reddit, and Twitter simultaneously, and give you a structured answer in under 10 seconds. I used it to research a competitor analysis that would have taken me 4 hours. It took 12 minutes. The Pro plan also lets you run AI agents that monitor topics and send you daily digests. Cost, $20 per month. ROI, immediate. Tool number 2, Descript. Descript has crossed a threshold in 2026 that I didn't think was possible yet. You paste your script, it generates a video, you edit the video by editing the transcript, just delete a word and the footage disappears. Add filler word removal, with one click. AI-generated eye contact correction. For faceless channels specifically, it automatically assembles B-roll based on your script keywords. You record your audio, it finds the footage, you approve it, it exports. Full video in under 90 minutes including edits. Cost, $24 per month. Tool number 3 is one most people underestimate, Claude by Anthropic. Claude's context window is 200,000 tokens. That means you can paste an entire book, a full business plan, a year of email threads, and it processes all of it simultaneously. What I use it for: writing full YouTube scripts, building products without traditional coding, automating my inbox, writing client reports, researching market gaps, and running daily business pipelines. If you're only using AI to write emails, you're using a race car to go to the supermarket. Cost, $18 per month. Tool number 4, 11 Labs. Voice cloning is no longer a party trick. With 11 Labs, you upload 30 seconds of your own voice and it creates a model that sounds identical to you. Then you type, and it speaks, in your voice, with emotion, breathing, pacing. The 2026 update added multilingual cloning. One voice, 29 languages. If you want to run the same channel in English, Spanish and Portuguese simultaneously with zero extra work, this is how. Cost, $5 to $22 per month. Tool number 5, Make, formerly Integromat. Make is an automation platform that connects all your other tools without code. A real example, a YouTube channel posts a video, Make automatically extracts the transcript, sends it to Claude to write a Twitter thread, posts the thread, sends a newsletter version to MailChimp, creates a short-form script, sends to 11 Labs, uploads the resulting audio to a podcast feed. Zero human involvement after the initial video upload. That one automation, en nakter, boy keen, what it there, a ran sonar por, and nine, abindanse kinsi on barden. Pembrandawis muffs and ban, alwajestarn. Replaces about 6 hours of work per video. At $10 per month for the basic plan, it's one of the highest leverage subscriptions you can have. Here's the thing about these 5 tools in isolation. They're good, but combined, they form something completely different. An autonomous content machine. Perplexity researches your topic. Claude writes your script. 11 Labs records your voiceover. Descript builds your video. Make distributes it everywhere automatically. 5 tools, under $90 per month combined, enough to replace a content team of 4 to 5 people. The people winning in 2026 aren't necessarily the smartest or the most creative. They're the ones who built the best systems, and these 5 tools are the foundation of mine. If you want to go deeper on any of these, comment below which one and I'll make a dedicated deep dive. Like and subscribe. See you next video.